Hey guys, hey! How are you doing? So, hey. How are you guys doing? How are you doing? So I'm in the kitchen today. So we are going to make lunch, y'all. We're gonna make lunch. I'm going to make Scottish eggs for lunch. Me and Hoey was talking about what all we're gonna eat when we go to Texas Surrender Festival. That's when he comes back home this next time. We're just going for the day. We're not even going to dress up. We're just going to go for the day in our normal clothes. We usually dress up. We go every year. We usually dress up and camp out for a whole weekend. But this year we're just going to go like for a day. And anyways, not even here for that. But anyways, we're talking about all the food we're going to eat when we go. And we always, if we go get there early in the mornings, we usually get their Scottish eggs and their crepes. Oh, so good. So I'm going to attempt to make Scottish eggs. Can you say? I can't even talk, y'all. I can't talk. I got my girls down there, y'all. They're banging on pots down there. I got Phoebe and Pippa. They're down there having a good old time. So they're going to be with me in the kitchen while I cook this meal, y'all. While I cook these Scottish eggs for the first time. It's easy to make. I was looking at all the ingredients to make it. It's like, I only need a few things to make it and some seasoning. I'm good. So let me wash. I got to wash this. Instead of frying it, I'm going to put it in the air fryer to cook the eggs. So I got to boil the eggs. Let me get my pot, y'all. Let me get my pot. Where is my pot? There it is. Pot to boil my eggs. I know I don't need this big of a pot. I need this smaller pot. Y'all, I don't know if y'all like me, but I did have this all organized down here, but it never lasts long. I'm a hot mess, y'all. I'm a hot mess. It never stays. It's not organized. The pots and pans down there, it just ends up a hot mess again. But I just throw stuff in there. So okay, we're going to boil the eggs. Boil the eggs. And I got me some tea. Does anybody else drink this? This is like my favorite. Y'all, I've been drinking this for years. Drinking this for years. Ever since I moved down to here where I'm staying now, which was 2013 when I first moved here. And my mom got me hooked on the Lipton peach tea. Y'all, such good stuff. I haven't made homemade tea since I used to always make my sweet tea. Since I can remember when, I've always made sweet tea. My mom, I grew up drinking sweet tea. My mom always made sweet tea. But I've been hooked on this. I haven't made tea, like sweet tea, and since I moved here. So this is my go-to. So delicious, y'all. I'm just hooked on this stuff. I'm hooked. Okay, let me put my eggs in there. I think I'm just gonna do, I'm gonna do 3. Let me do 3 eggs. I know it says you boil the eggs first, of course. I'm gonna put my salt in there so it's easy to peel. Hopefully, anybody got a better way? I always use salt so the shells will peel easily, but it's not all of the time. Sometimes they don't, even when I do use salt. Is there anything else I can use for the shells to peel a lot easier without messing up the egg? That is so aggravating. Put a lot in there. So now I'm gonna get me some gloves. I'll be right back, y'all. I'll be back. Put my gloves on. I'm trying to get it to where y'all can see the girls down there. You can see Phoebe and Pippa down there banging on pots, y'all. They drive me crazy with these banging pot stuff. Banging on these pots, they're driving me crazy, y'all. Let me get my sausage out. let's get my plastic wrap. Got my Jimmy Dean sausage. Got to have my Jimmy Dean sausage. My kitchen's a mess. Don't mind the mess. I do need to do my dishes. Sausage. My knife. Knifey. Where are the knives at? Where are all the knives? I can't open that because she's right there on the use of this one. Got my Jimmy Dean regular sausage. Cutting board is probably in there. Just need to open it. Bowl. Hope you guys are doing okay. I hope your Saturday's going great. How are you doing? How was your week? Squeeze this on in there. Have any of you guys ever had Scottish eggs? They're so good. So good. We get them at Renfest every year, and they're just so delicious. Put this over here. I gotta wash my air fryer basket and season it. They said you can put chives in it, but we don't like chives. We don't like onions, period. So I'm gonna season it up. Seasoned salt, whatever seasonings I want to put in. I've got more seasoning with really. It's sausage. Look at the black pepper. Black pepper. Okay, my eggs are boiling. Gloves. If you're not using gloves, usually don't use gloves on meat because I got these nails on. I don't want them getting stuck under my nails. That's aggravating. But okay, I'm using my saran wrap. Where's my saran wrap? Oh, it's here. I'll be right back, y'all. Eggs are boiling. I'm going to take one. Saran wrap down. This is the easiest way to wrap the sausage around the egg. To get saran wrap and lay the sausage on the saran wrap and then wrap it and spray oil on it so it doesn't stick. It's easier to do so the sausage doesn't stick to your fingers when you're trying to wrap the egg. 2 of these, 3 of these. Maybe one at a time, I guess. The sausage is ready. My breadcrumbs, I'm gonna get eggs. Or like the batter. Anybody else with the eggshells back from the garden? Like me? Excuse me, girls. Y'all having too much fun over here. Y'all having too much fun. I try to scoot the tripod back as far as I can go without the microphone falling, so y'all can see. Can't even see girls. Well, I'm trying, guys. I'm trying. Another bowl. This is going to be flour. I'll need another bowl for breadcrumbs. curls. That's right. Now I'm going to get another bowl. I have a lot of dishes to do just to make 3 sausage eggs. This is red breadcrumbs. Oh, it's Italian style. I thought it was just regular bread. Shoot. That's going to be interesting. I bet that's going to be good. We're going to try it. Well, I ain't got no choice now. I bet this could be good. I don't know. We're going to see. I thought I got the regular and I seen at the top Italian style. I was like, why does it smell like that? Oh well. Oh well. Alright. My eggs are boiling in. Becca, you want to say hi? You want to say hi to your aunties? Say hi. Say I'm still in my PJs. Say hi, aunties. Hi. Ain't she a cutie? She's such a cutie pie. Look at her hair. Look at do with her hair. Look at these curly cues, y'all. Look at these curly cues. She's so stinking cute. She is. She's so stinking cute. I thought I'd do a video with her and Phoebe while we're in the kitchen cooking. I haven't done a cooking video in a while. They don't want to help, y'all. They want to bang on pots and pans. They don't want to help. They want to bang on pots and pans. Right. Right. I just want to be noisy today. They want to be noisy today. Tell them bye. Tell them bye. So I'm going to go back to beating on the pots. Back to beating on the pot. There we go. Oop. You're going to stand up. Hold on, Jesus. Alright, y'all. Hold on. I'm trying to fall over. Quit falling over. They're falling out on me. Well, we're going to have attitude, girls. We're going to have attitude. She don't want her spoon. She don't want to beat on the pot. Oh, y'all. Y'all, these kids, let me tell you. These kids. They are something else. They are something else. Alright guys, so I will be back. The eggs are still boiling over here. So I'll be back. I'm going to go ahead. Try to get, well, I'll wait for the eggs to get done boiling. And I'll come back and we'll do the rest. Alright guys, I'll see you in a bit. Okay, we're back and we're cooking. And we're cooking. There we go. So the eggs are done. So now I'm going to get my sausage. Flatten it out. I don't even know how much I'm supposed to use. Make it big enough so it can wrap around the egg. Make my shape really big, so I'll put my egg. I believe, yes. Use the saran wrap to wrap the sausage around the egg. They said it's easier this way so they can stick to your fingers, but no, it's just kind of, you can't put too much oil. Spray. It's kind of forming apart. I didn't use too much sausage, but there's our little sausage egg. The egg's in the middle. So now we're going to let me get me. I'm gonna have to keep changing my gloves. Let me get the air fryer. Let me spray down the air fryer. I need to spray it with oil so it doesn't stick. Okay. this in flour. It says put it in the flour. Flour on it. One coat of flour. And then we are going to just do cloves. Dip it in the batter. Put it in the bread. This is not easy. It keeps want to come open, y'all. Breadcrumbs. I always wondered how they got the crust, like crust looking on these Scottish eggs at Renfair. Breadcrumbs? No, I know. Yeah, me and hubby wanted to see if we could make our own and see how it turns out. This Italian season breadcrumbs. Leave it to me to not pay attention, right? Leave it to me. Okay, and I got one. These are pretty big, y'all. These are pretty big. One down and two more to go. Maybe I should just do one. That's not gonna work. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough for two. I should. This one maybe a little bit thinner. I want it big enough to fit around the egg. Not to be too thin. This one. Egg in there. I'm going to wrap it. Wrap it. Just put it like this. Wrap it. That was easier. Girls done UC rolls, barely. Flour. This one. Sorry guys, I'm not talking a lot, I'm just trying to focus. I wanted to do the air fryer to see how it turns out instead of the grease frying it. So I'm so scared it's gonna fall apart if I fry it, so I'm just gonna air fry it. Plus it's healthier, it's not gonna be all greasy on top of that. Works out. One more. Let's stick these bad boys in the air fryer. I'll use the rest of it. It's going to be a thick one too. Just a little bit left over. Here we go. You guys probably can't even see with this basket in the way. Spray from the odor. It is so much easier with this plastic wrap. What you girls doing over there? You're still playing? Just watching me and playing, y'all. Like, what you doing, Mama? What you making over there? want some Scotch eggs, Scottish eggs. How can I say Scottish? What is wrong with me, y'all? What is wrong with me? Breadcrumbs. I'm making a mess. Anybody else making a mess when you're cooking? I'm making a mess. I am a messy eater, messy cooker. He's like, every time we go out to eat or something, he's like, dang, look at your side of the table. It's such a mess. I said, I can't help it. I enjoy my food, okay? Okay? I'm not proper like you. Anyways, that's funny. He gets me pale every time. Alright, take these gloves off. Now, y'all, you'll see look at my eggs. I can't wait to see how they turned out. Look, oh shoot. Look how pretty. Stop it. So they're about to go. They're big, aren't they? They're big. So I'll set this to, so 375. 12 minutes, 13 minutes, I say. Okay, let me clean up my mess. I hope I don't make this video too second long. Boring. There we go. In the air fryer cooking. That's it, y'all. I wish I would have known this a long time ago. I wish I would looked this recipe up a long time ago. I never really thought about it until like today when we were talking about all the food we're gonna eat. And we were like, ooh. I think, I don't know if I brought it up, he brought it up, I don't know. But let me get Phoebe for you so you can see it. But this is Phoebe. Okay, now we got Miss Phoebe, so now that we're waiting on the eggs, I'm looking to see, I'm going to have to flip them, turn them over in a minute. Look at my beautiful Phoebe. She says, hi, aunties. Hi, aunties. Hi. She's having fun watching Mama in the kitchen making Scottish eggs. Scottish eggs, not Scottish eggs. And baking on pots. Alright, I'm making noise. I'm making noise. Driving Mama crazy. They're driving Mama crazy. Y'all driving crazy. Come get your nieces. Come get your nieces. So come get me. Come get me. Oh my gosh. I made these a little bit too big. They're not supposed to be that big, but I have to cook them a little bit longer. I'm about to turn them over in a few minutes. Yeah. Show you the girls and what they're up to. It's supposed to be, it's been warm. The past week it's actually been kind of warm. So we're going, so next week is supposed to be like, supposed to have like an Arctic blast coming in. Y'all, Arctic blast is going to get down to like the 20s and 30s. I'm like, what? It's going to be cold, y'all, it's going to be cold. So they're staying in their warm clothes. Staying in her warm clothes. Here's her warm autumn outfit, and she's so cute. Her little purple bow, she's so stinking cute. So stinking cute. That space, y'all, that birds. Alright, guys. Oh, wait, hold on. Let's flip these over. Let's flip these over. Put her back down. Trying to bang on our pots. Ooh. Okay, let's see if I can flip these without them falling apart. I might have to cook them a little bit longer or something. They might not get done because I made them so thick. But look at that. Oh my goodness. Please don't fall apart. But y'all, I can't wait. I will come back. Once they're done, I'll come back and we're gonna cut them open. See how good they are. Oh my god, I'm so excited, y'all. First time making these and I'm excited. I just googled the recipe. If you want to know what the recipe is, just Google Scottish eggs recipes. And there's different kinds. Make it the way you want. It's easy, just like you can do what I did. You can add different seasonings if you want to. I didn't add a lot of seasoning since it's sausage. It's already like seasoned. And the breadcrumbs, so I got the wrong ones. It's seasoned too, so I think it's gonna be good. So I hope it's good with this breadcrumb, the Italian breadcrumb. Y'all, leave it to me. Leave it to me. The wrong stuff. Leave it to me. But I will be back, y'all, in a few minutes once this is done. We're gonna cut one open and we're gonna try it, y'all. Be back. Okay, guys, I think they're done. Don't they look so pretty? They look so good. Oh my gosh. So let's cut one open and make sure it's done. I'm gonna make sure it's done. Give me this one. Now I'm gonna put it back in. I put it in for extra time. I knew it wasn't gonna be done. It's done, y'all. Oh yeah, it's done. Look at that. Good. She's hot. So I'm gonna try a piece. Let's try a piece. See the breading on there. Look, Toby. Here you go. He's like, I smell it. He knows what he's doing. Oh my god. I think it's even better with the Italian style breading, the Italian seasoning. I think the girls' house almost it goes down. It's kind of too hot right now. We're gonna try it. But take a bite. Take a bite. Take a bite. No, they're not made this, we didn't make it. It is really good. So this is my lunch today. This is my lunch today. This was a really good idea. Get your sausage and your egg as your breakfast. Or lunch, dinner, whatever. I like to eat breakfast for dinner or lunch. I can eat breakfast any time of the day. I can eat breakfast all day long. I love breakfast. What, Toby? Look at you. It's like, I want a bite. It's hot. It's hot. It's gotta go up. Alright guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Here are the girls. I'm still down there watching. They're waiting for the food to cool so they can try it. So, I'm doing my dishes. I was doing the dishes while I was waiting for this to get done. Got the kitchen's clean, dishes done, dishwasher's going. So I'm getting the girls up here. Let's get them. Then I'll say bye to you. Say bye. Alright. Bye. I'll tell you aunties bye. Say bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you to the subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. And praying for you guys. Y'all have a very blessed. Why are you pulling your sister's hair? Just look on your sister's hair. Come on now, be nice. Be nice. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I will see you guys. Let me do something with these girls. Let me feed these girls. Let me feed them. Because she's trying to eat her hair. They must be starving. Alright guys, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye. Say bye bye. Bye bye.